Hey there, it's Mikey. I have half a decade of experience in software development, and I want to share some horror stories, some battle stories of working in enterprise solutions as a software developer. These are things I wish I knew when I was first starting out, and I hope you learn from it. So here's an example. Let's pretend your boss gave you a task of going and deleting all work orders in the system that have a product ID of 729. So you log on to your relational database and we go to the very important prod DB and we're going to locate that work orders table and we find it. Here's our work order table and we select all and we want to confirm all the orders in the system with the product ID that equals 729 like our boss asked. And we want to confirm. Okay, there's about 104 records in our system and we want to delete them. So as we go to delete them, we do delete from production.work order. As we're doing this, your Microsoft Teams, your Outlook, your Slack's going off like crazy. It's an important urgent issue you need to tend to, and you get distracted or you're not paying as much of attention as you should be, and you accidentally execute this statement. Think, oh, I'll just delete one work order. You get distracted. You look back. You go, oh my God, 72,590 rows have been deleted. You go, oh no, let me see if the product ID with 729 is deleted. Oh wow, I completed the task my boss asked for. Let's check the other work orders. Oh my God, they're gone. So in about a few seconds now, whoever's using this application is spamming the development team, the infrastructure team. Where are the work orders? What's going on? We cannot see anything. Is there a data problem? And of course, your team set up a database backup. So at least you can pull from the backup so we can retry this task, fortunately. So let's restore the database to show the little trick that could save you your sanity. So I'm just going to restore that backup we have. So yeah, so we're going to go at it again, but this time we'll call this V2. We're going to use the little trick that will save your sanity. So by going to this new database, let me minimize this one. So V2, we're gonna attempt this again. Act like the first attempt didn't happen. So go to the work order table. Let's open that up. And all our data is back. We're gonna pretend that we're checking that product ID. Check for that product ID. There we go. We're gonna check. Also 104. And now we're gonna use a begin transaction. These two words will save you your sanity. This basically creates an instance based off the runtime database, but does not commit anything to the runtime database. So whatever you do in between a begin transaction and a commit won't be put into the runtime database. So I'll show you. Let's say we made that mistake again, delete from production work orders, but we ran the begin transaction. We hit this. Oh my God, over 70,000 rows deleted, but I'm not worried because I know like nothing's in there. I know I'm in a transaction statement and I can use a rollback keyword. This keyword will let you roll back all the data you just wrecked and your sanity and anxiety is coming back to a normal level. So if we check, here's the 729, 104, and all of our rows are still there. So let's do it correctly now. So we'll begin the transaction. We'll delete, but this time we're paying full attention. And we make a little error we don't notice. Let's say we fat fingered. 86 rows deleted. But before I do a commit or rollback, I can check my data here to make sure I deleted the data I wanted to. 729 still here. Something didn't go right. Let me just roll it back. That easy. All the data's back. So now I go, oh, I must have missed it. I'll do a begin. I'll run this. I'll check my data that the data I wanted deleted was deleted. Looks good. Is my work order still here? Perfect. So now I can run a commit this transaction to the runtime database. And now my anxiety, my stress, everything is done. I can close that ticket for deleting all of these product orders, and my boss is happy. You are happy. No anxiety. Software development is fun. Let me know down below your software development horror stories, battle stories. Let me know. Wishing you the best of luck. Let me know if this helped as well. More videos in the future. Have a good night. Bye.